Siphinde sinibingelele kwiKaya TV2. Wena-ke oqalayo ungena kuleli khasi, siyacela ukuba ucofe ibhathini, usubscribe, ulike, ushere le video ukuze ifinyelele nakwabanye. I-MK Party isiphawulile ngezinto ezingahambanga kahle eMoses Mabhida, kuphinde kube naseMsunduzi. EMsunduzi-ke lapho bekunama-by-elections khona okunezinto ezingahambanga kahle, kanti nakhona-ke eMoses Mabhida kunezinto-ke ezingahambanga kahle-ke, kodwa-ke Umkhonto weSizwe usophawulele ngalo nto-ke engathi-ke kuney'nyathelo ozozithatha, kodwa-ke awuzizwele-ke bona bezikhulumela ngowabo umlomo kulo msindo olandelayo.
Commanders, morning. Igama lami makhomanda uVincent wakwamdunge la KwaZulu Natal. Bengithi makhomanda siyayizwa inkinga futhi hayi eyodwa ziningi. Mhlambe nje ukubalula eyokuqala ile yase Moses Mabhida region la sihlulwe khona ukukhankasa sibuye newadi. Asivume makhomanda ukuthi kukhulu okungahambanga kahle lapho. Kwaze kwafakwana ngisho ezinkantolo kwalandelelwa nangezimo ezithile abaholi babizana ngamagama angemahle. Kunophenyo ke makhomanda olwenziwa iNational High Command mayelana nalolu daba. Sizwile futhi makhomanda imbidi mehlwana ekhuluma ngendaba yokulahleka kuka 11 million rand kuphinde kuthiwe u56 million rand. Ngicela singadideki baholi. Kwenziwa i-audit njengamanje njengoba sikhuluma mayelana nalolu daba ukuthola ukuthi ngampela laba abaphethe noma abasengethe isikhwama bayakwazi uku-accounta ukuthi imali yenhlangano yenzeni noma ishonephi. Uma bengakwazi istebhisi esilandelayo ukuthi kuthathwe inyathelo zangaphakathi vele seyithathiwe. Okwesibili bese kuvulwa icala elicriminal ngoba phela ifraud leyo. Umuntu mayithatha imali okungeyona yakhe, imali yenhlangano, inhlangano ihlupheka kangaka, izama kangaka, ebisidliwa abantu abambalwa. Ziyathathwa ke lezo nyathelo kuzovulwa necala elicriminal. Ngifuna ukuyicacisa leyo makhomanda. Ngidlule kuleyo ngize kuleka DSG. Makhomanda nginomuzwa othi noma ngabe khona abaholi esingabezwa kahle emakhaleni. Asibe blunt sisho ukuthi ubani akahambisi kahle ngalesizathu nalesizathu bese sithumela ireport either e-ofisini lesifundazwe noma ku-national ukuze kuthathwe inyathelo eyinqala nezifanele ngaloyo mholi. Lastly bese kuzoba indaba yokuthi kube nomshophi khona lapha eMoses Mabhida estadium ke manje hayi kwi-region. Sihanjelwe yilo ngalomkhonto ngendlela ebingalindelekile. Ngiyakholwa ukuthi sizwile sonke ukuthi khona umonakalo onjalo owenzakalile. Ngeke ke ngingene kuma details aphelele ngoba i-region iyayilawula leyo kanye nomphakathi wase-Ward2 kanye nomndeni bayilawula leyo. Nehhovisi lesifundazwe liyangenelela. Ngifisa ukuthi makhomanda le yokudla ukuthi asazi ukuthi imuphi lozama okukhulunywa ngayo. Uma ngabe kukhulunywa ngozama meyiwa wase-office sizombiza simbizele esithangameni achaze ngale ndaba yokudla ukuthi kwenzakaleni makuyena. Ngoba uyena zama esimaziyo, akekho omunye ozama esimaziyo. Kodwa makuwomunye uyongixolela ke uzama meyiwa mangabe kungeyena. Angimnembi, angimbheci ngenyama ngobende inyama engayidlanga. Kodwa ngithi ezinye zezinto lezo esesinikezwe imandate ukuthi siyiphenye ngokujulile. NgoLwesibili-ke lolesiya kulona kunomhlangano oyingweyazana ozoba khona ozobe ubheke zonke lezo zinto. Sizobe sesibhala ireport-ke esiyoyipublisha niyibone nani. Ngithi ke makhomanda egameni lomkhonto wesizwe phansi ngiyacela ngomusa nje kaNkuluNkulu egameni likaNxamalala ngithi ake sehliseni umoya, sibonile izinto ayihambanga kahle, sibonile konakele, sibonile ukuthi ama-service providers awakhethekanga ngendlela efanele futhi abantu abaphathekanga kahle. Nale yamakhosi sathi masiyilandelela le ncwadi eyayibhaliwe yafakwa kwi-social media sabheka ukuthi i-authenticity yayo ubani oyibhalile nanamhlanje akutholakali. Sabheka eNdlunkulu yakwaZulu ukuthi ngampela ngabe bakhona yini abantwana baseNdlunkulu abangaphathekanga lapha kumkhonto wesizwe. Kwawukuthi cha, ayi into enjalo ayeziwe eNdlunkulu. Sase silandelela nakwabanye amakhosi, namanje asikaliqedike lolo phenyo, sayilandelela leyo ngoba amakhosi aseduze nenhliziyo zethu somkhonto wesizwe phansi. Ngiyacela-ke nje makhomanda ngomoya omuhle, ngithi ake sehlise umoya, ke siyilandele lezi zinto ziphenywe zonke, sithole ingonyuluka yazo, bese kuthathwa iy'nqumo ey'fanele, kodwa singajajani, ikakhulukazi ebuholini obuphezulu. Mangabe mhlambe ngiyicacisa leyo, ngikhuluma ngo-DSG ngoba khona kade sebembiza ngamagama, bembiza ngey'nhlamba. Singenayo isho ukuthi kwenzakaleni. Sicela ukuthi siphenye makhomanda, sizanelise bese sithumela ireport-ke eyobonwa yonke amalungu omkhonto wesizwe. Ngisho ekhaya elikhulu kunxamalala iyofika leyo report bese kuthathwa-ke iy'nqumo ey'fanele makhona odonsa bhekisa le esingazi ukuthi bayithathaphi leyo nto. Commanders, good morning.
We were told that we did fraud, we did wrong things, we chowed money from the municipality, and for more than 8 years, I was investigated for more than 7 years. I don't know if people understand that. 7 years I've been under investigation by the so-called president, who then signed the proclamation of those issues that were done in Malutapofu. And there were wrong things which were done before us. But we knew that it is not our responsibility. We have the Auditor General of South Africa that must audit and make sure that anything that has been done wrong must be exposed. Mara today, it is these police, the SIUs and others who are now fiddling the municipalities, who will then tell you how to run municipalities. It's a joke. South Africa is becoming a joke. And that is why we are here to protect the people of this country. And I am also prepared to die, if I have to die for fighting for a black child, if I have to die for fighting for a black man to become billionaire or millionaire. That must happen. But as long as there are those people who are captured, I am not amongst the people who are captured in South Africa, and I've never taken any money from any white man. And that is why I'm still proud today. That is why my political consciousness is very clear. Unfortunately, I don't want to talk bad about media because I'm with media people. Other media are being used to push a particular narrative. Tomorrow after this interview, somebody can do another interview to say, we have found a particular investigation and Vos Chabalala is going to be arrested. And that because it is being pushed by a particular media that have handlers somewhere. And our own people have been brainwashed by media. It is unfortunate. When President Jacob Zuma tried during his tenure to have ANN7, people aligned it with a particular race of communities to say these are the things of particular individuals, the different race. But it was a right course to do because our media, unfortunately, the majority, I don't want to generalize because the general statement might not be good, but the majority of the media companies are serving those that want to run this country the way they want. If we have to talk about business and say how many black businesses are big in this country, you'll be shocked. You'll be very shocked. Our businesses are depending on tenders. And what is a tender? Tender is not a business. It will never be a business. Many tenderpreneurs have failed because they don't understand that tenders is not a business. So it is important that we must fight. We are not only fighting for tenders, we will never fight for tenders. There are many things that we need to fight for. If you go to Kwakwa in my own town, teenagers at the age of 11 years, 12 years, they are making babies. You know why? because our government is fighting. There is internal fights. They can't even do parks. They can't even go and seek money at national level and do